We are a strata of 8 villas. We've had a new arrival in February who has broken over 12 strata laws without permission. We've reported and lodged our concerns and have a date for mediation with the department in September. The new owner wants to get rid of the strata manager and take over control. Most lot owners do not feel this resident has the ability. However, 2 owners have brought into his story. Our strata manager is helpful but not assertive and is also overwhelmed by this new owner's attitude and persistence. I've lived here for 46 years peacefully and now I feel I'm being forced out. I don't even know where to start.
Yeah, you've got a Condo Commando who's joined your building. It's hard, isn't it? So I would suggest, Mike, it sounds like your strata manager's trying really hard. People use all sorts of tactics, including bullying, harassment, to get what they want in strata schemes. It's the ugly truth. We've seen it firsthand. It's terrible, really. Evil people prevail when good people stand around and do nothing. So the 4 or 5 owners that have, who are really interested in the strata scheme and have been doing a good job, they all need to keep coming to the annual general meeting. You need to speak to your strata manager about strategies on who you let onto your strata committee. I was actually going to talk about this, but I didn't know if it was too political. Who you let onto your strata committee. A lot of my buildings don't let everyone on. People think because they're an owner that they have an entitlement to be on the strata committee, when often their motives are wrong. My advice to my buildings is don't let them on, because it's just going to take things in the direction that's not in line with the legislation or anyone's best interest. So you have to be strong. This may be here to stay. Your options are to continue to unite and support your strata manager, or to curl up and die, or roll over or whatever, or sell. But most of my buildings would just take a stand and continue to stay strong and stay united, you're off to mediation. You may need to spend some money on lawyers to resolve this. This person may not go away. Heard a crazy story once about a block where an owner was so bad that the other owners, I don't know how they did it, they must have set up a special purse company or something, raised a special levy or raised money each to buy this owner out at an elevated price on the basis that they signed a deed and never to return to their strata. Now, this owner that they got, and that all went through, guess where this owner bought? And into another strata scheme. So this is real. And the way the legislation's written, I can tell you a million stories. My advice to you is to keep turning up to the meetings, supporting your strata manager if they're doing a good job, and be strong.